integral sin x d of secant x is equal to f of x minus g of x plus a. Then find f of x and g of x. So integral sin x with respect to secant x is given. With respect to secant x. In general, we find integral of integration of any function with respect to x in general. So with respect to x ఉంటుంది dx ఉంటుంది, like integral some trigonometric function dx or integral some algebraic function dx, but given with respect to secant x. Okay na? To solve this type of problems we have to make some adjustments. Say integral sin x into d of secant x. Here we need dx. So multiply this function, multiply this trigonometric function and divide, multiply and divide this trigonometric function by dx. Okay. Now sin x, integral sin x into dx into d of secant x by dx, d of secant x by dx. Okay. So it's like a derivative of secant x, d by dx. See, derivative of secant x with respect to dx. Okay, now here we have to apply differentiation. Here integral sin x dx, integral sin x dx into this derivative of this function. So first apply differentiation, derivative. Integration means antiderivative. D by dx of secant x what? Derivative of secant x. Derivative of secant x means secant x tan x. Secant x tan x. Okay. Derivative of secant x is equals to formula secant x tan x. Derivative of secant x ki the formula secant x tan x. Integral sin x dx. Okay. Secant x. Secant x means 1 by cos x into tan x dx. Okay. Sin x by dx is what? Sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x tan x. Sin x by cos x tan x. Now integral sin x by cos x tan x dx into tan x into tan x. Tan x into tan x. Tan square x. Tan x into tan x. Tan square x dx. So we do not have a direct formula for tan square x. Okay. But tan square, we know that tan square x, secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1, trigonometric identity. Now transpose tan square x to right hand side and 1 to left hand side. Now secant square x minus 1 is equal to tan square x. So in place of tan square x we can write secant square x minus 1. Integral secant square x minus 1 into dx. Integral secant square x dx minus integral 1 dx. Integral secant square x dx. Integral 1 dx means x. So if we apply integration we get some constant. Let us consider c. So integration apply chesthe manaku some constant anedi vastadi. Aa constant ni c anukuntunnan. Okay. So let us say this is c1 or otherwise you can take c1. Okay. Because here also we have to apply integration. This is c1. Okay. Now we have to write the formula of integral secant square x dx. Okay. So integral secant square x dx minus integral 1 dx x plus. So after integration we keep some constant. So c1 means integrating constant. Now what is the formula for integral secant square x dx? Secant square x dx is equals to tan x plus some constant. Now let us consider C2, some constant C2. Now, so integral secant square x dx means tan x value tan x plus C2 minus x plus some C1. Okay, so tan x minus x plus C1 plus C2. Let us assume C1 plus C2 is equal to some capital C. Now, what is the final answer? Tan x minus x plus capital C. Now, compare RHS. So, f of x is equals to what? Here, f of x is equal to tan x and minus g of x is equal to what? G of x is equals to x. Therefore, values of f of x and g of x are tan x and x. F of x is equal to tan x and g of x is equals to x. Okay.